Kapamilya singer Darren Espanto finally breaks his silence, standing up for AC Bonifacio amidst the ongoing TBB controversy. Darren Espanto has spoken out in defense of his close friend AC Bonifacio amidst the controversies surrounding her time on Pinoy Big Brother. Darren believes that if he had been in the house with AC, she would have encountered fewer issues. At a recent event launching him as the new endorser of 7-Eleven City Cafe, Darren expressed his full support for AC. He admitted that he had been cheering for her throughout the show and felt that his presence might have helped lessen the challenges she faced. "Feeling ko hindi ganun kadami ang issue niya ngayon kung nasa loob ako ng bahay kasama niya," Darren shared. Despite the ongoing controversy, Darren made it clear that he and many others continue to support AC, stating, "Pero, of course, we're all rooting for her." He also addressed how social media users have misinterpreted AC, explaining that misunderstandings are common in the Pinoy Big Brother house. "I feel like a lot of people just misinterpret a lot of the things that, not just AC, like, a lot of the things that the housemates say within the house, and their actions," Darren explained. He further shared that their mutual friend, Niana Guerrero, had been tagging them in tweets questioning actions on the show. "Kasi, ayun nga, tinatag kami ni Niana sa maraming tweets tungkol kay AC na parang, hindi nyo ba kilala yung friend nyo?" He recalled.